Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, it will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today our topic is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active2.
Slow down. Speed up to reach 7 kilometers per hour.
Here are its features. Better insights. To reach your fitness goals, get more out of every mile thanks to built-in pace coaching on the Galaxy Watch Active2. Its advanced sensors keep your pace to help you better achieve your run goals. Audio playing format MP3, M4A, 3GA, AAC, comfortably sleek. The Galaxy Watch Active2 is light enough to wear anywhere comfortably. It comes in aluminum or stainless steel and with a variety of faces, bands and finishes, so it goes with anything. Insights that push you further. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active2 is designed to help you learn more so you can achieve more. It goes beyond tracking steps and calories to offer actionable insights on everything from your running style to your heart rate. Connect seamlessly via Bluetooth to your favorite apps so you can keep moving, and a sleek, all-new design means you can wear the Galaxy Watch Active2 everywhere from the gym to the pool to your bed. Keep your beat. You can see if your heart rate is where you want it with Galaxy Watch Active2. Get automatically alerted if your watch detects a high or low heart rate. Level up your downtime. Galaxy Watch Active2's built-in sleep tracker offers valuable insight on how to get a better night's sleep. It also monitors your stress level and helps you recenter with the integrated Calm app. Battery built for endurance. Galaxy Watch Active2's long-lasting battery can go for more than a day on a single charge, and you can always get a single boost from your compatible Galaxy phone with wireless power share. Forget your wallet. Leave your wallet at home? Samsung Pay, accepted at most standard checkout, is right on your Galaxy Watch Active2. Do more with Bixby. Galaxy Watch Active2 listen to your commands with Bixby voice functionality. Tell it to read your text, make a call, or crank up your Spotify playlist. Stay on top of everything. Stream Spotify and YouTube, get quick help with Google Translate, make and take calls with a built-in mic or earbuds, and send text with voice or customizable replies. Understand your health. Take a deeper dive with Samsung Health app on your phone to gain better insights into your overall health data so you can get new goals. Android iOS compatible. Pair seamlessly with Android devices and select iOS devices.